going on, guys? All right, so I've done a little demo with Aaron since he's the pro at doing ceramic coating, especially using G technique. He gave me a bit of a rundown on how to apply it, and it's a little bit cold in here, so it's taking a little bit longer to apply, or not to apply, to flash. So I'm going to explain the process of how it works. So you probably want to use gloves because it does dry and it does harden. But yeah, so you're going to want basically the coating to flash slightly. So that means like semi-dry almost, and then wipe it off right away. We're going to do smaller sections of the coating so that we don't have too much of an area, and then we have to wipe it all off really quick. So for example, let's say we're coating the whole hood at once, it might start drying over here too quickly by the time we get over there. So we're going to do smaller sections, probably break it down into into a quarter or so, and do it that way. Obviously, the smaller the panel, the easier it will be, the less sections you'll need, but the hood is quite large, so don't want to mess it up. I have the coating right here, so I'm going to grab it. And we're going to start it. So you just need a couple of drops of the coating on the sponge. So we'll put a couple of drops of the coating on the sponge. This is 30 ml, so it should do the whole car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe on like a section somewhere like this and let it flash, all right? Back and forth, all right, same, back and forth. Like this? Yeah. You don't want it to dry too much before you wipe it, because you won't be able to wipe it. So I can see it drying right now. Probably gonna go with something like that. Looks like it's drying. This side same way. Oh, I can see it. It becomes a little bit more difficult to remove. Okay, so it shouldn't change the film too much. We are using this on Tech Wrap. This is VViViD's product designed with G technique, and it's called Fuse for VViViD's wraps specifically. All right. So let's change it a little bit, huh?
Yeah, you can change it a little bit. I think it looks a
little more rich. Yeah, it's a little darker. So it's making the wrap a little bit darker. Aaron's helping me out a little bit. And I'll do a little close up here, guys, so you can see the line. It's actually not really noticeable now. You see it? I don't even really see it anymore.
I can see from
you can see it more from here? Okay, yeah. Yeah. So slightly different. I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see, so I can see what I'm recording. Yeah, Aaron, hold that. Thank you. So let's explain the section we did and if you can see the line. So you tell me if you can see the line. It's kind of like right here, yeah. Goes up like this, and a little bit right in and around there. So it's really not that noticeable. What it is though is noticeably smoother. So my hand sticks with the glove on over here, while it doesn't stick at all over here. So this coating is going to take approximately 12 hours to fully cure. That's what I've been told. Also, what it will do is fill in, so this is how you apply it right now. So what it will do is it will fill in micro scratches, all right? So let me just turn this around because I can't see. Perfect. So if you have, this is great for chrome wraps, gloss wraps, that kind of stuff. Make sure I'm on here. And it will help protect your gloss chrome wrap, definitely, like without a doubt. It beats laminating the film because laminating the film ends up making the film a lot more thick and a lot more difficult to work with. So being able to coat it afterwards is a great solution to not laminating something. I know that there is another product out there called Ceramic Pro, and I'm not sure what the warranty on this yet, but I know that Ceramic Pro's warranty they'll warranty it for as long as the manufacturer warranties the wrap for. So if it's 3 years, it's 3 years. So that's pretty solid for as far as warranty goes, 3 years on this. As far as pricing goes, that will be up to you, what you charge your customer, and you know, what you want to make in the end. I don't have a price on the solution on this fluid yet. I'm sure there will be something posted on VViViD's website first, as soon as it's fully released. Doing a demo on my car to see how it works. Obviously, we're not using it on VViViD film, we're using it on tech wrap because I have my car already wrapped in tech wrap, and we're just going to see how the tech wrap holds up over the entire winter. You saw how dirty the car was in the last video. I'm leaving the trunk alone, just the top part of the trunk. So the main areas to test will be your horizontal surfaces, so your hood, your roof, your trunk. I'm not going to do the roof because I don't think it will actually hold up on the roof. Sorry, not hold up, but I don't know what it'll do to the carbon fiber, and I don't want to try it because it's not fun to redo the roof. So I'm going to leave that as is, but I'm going to do the hood and leave the trunk as far as the ceramic coating goes. Aaron's just flying along right now. It's not going to take him very long to do this. But yeah, he's, like I said, he's a wizard at this stuff, and he does a lot of these coatings, especially when it comes to like just paint. So this is his first time doing it on a wrap. And yeah, we're gonna let you guys know how it goes. So once this is fully cured, I'm going to do a video on the, sorry, what's the word I'm looking for? The water repellent, yes. So it's the hydrophobic property that this should have. Now, as far as like scratches on this wrap go, I don't see any, but I don't really see any to begin with because it's a satin chrome. So it doesn't really show a lot of scratches, and they're really hard to see, but I don't see any at all right now. So I've only washed the car like twice since I put the wrap on. Time will tell. It will get scratches over time no matter what, because it is just vinyl, but if we coat it, it should be totally fine. Hopefully it holds up. I have high expectations for this product, and it'll be nice to, like I said, do it on gloss coatings and chrome coatings, especially because chrome coatings are so expensive that, chrome wraps are so expensive that you'd want to protect your investment. So, you know, guys, you can see how Aaron's applying this right here, right now. This is exactly how you would do it on your own car. Obviously, depending on the temperature of the surface and the temperature in the area that your car is, you're going to have different flashing times. So it could be 10 seconds, but no longer than 30 seconds. It should be no longer than 30 seconds at most. That's what Aaron was telling me. He says he never leaves it on for longer than 30 seconds, and that's what you learned, right? So 10 to 30 seconds or so, and wipe it off. Don't leave it on too long because you won't be able to wipe it off, and it'll leave streaks like this pretty much permanently. Otherwise, you'll have to do like a cut and polish and get it off, which is probably impossible. Yeah, impossible to do on a wrap. So he's saying you can't polish, you can't do it on a wrap. So you don't want to mess it up. Be cautious, and you know, learn. So be trial and error. It's trial and error for me right now, and Aaron's showing me how to do it. So we're showing you guys how to do this properly so that you don't fail at this. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching. Like I said, I will do a video probably tomorrow once it cures 12 hours on its hydrophobic property and how this is holding up. Thanks for watching. Take care.